You know, there's something magical about gazing up at the night sky, isn't there? Those twinkling stars, the soft glow of the moon, each speck like a secret whisper from the universe. For me, stargazing has always been a gentle reminder of how vast and mysterious our cosmos truly is. But among all the celestial wonders, there's one red beacon that has captured our imaginations for centuries: Mars. Picture this. A long time ago, perhaps around a crackling campfire, ancient people might have looked up at the sky and noticed Mars, a reddish star that seemed to drift differently from the others, moving steadily across the heavens. To them, it was a god of war, a symbol of mystery and power. Fast forward to today, and while we might not see Mars as a deity of battle, it still holds a captivating allure. Why? Because Mars, our neighboring planet, is like a cosmic coin flip that holds the potential to reveal if life could exist elsewhere. Now, imagine standing on the surface of Mars. Close your eyes and picture the landscape. It's a place that's both alien and eerily familiar, almost like a rusty desert Earth. The ground beneath your feet is a deep shade of red, thanks to iron oxide, the very same stuff that gives blood its color and rust its hue. The air is thin, whispering past you with a chill, carrying no scent at all because there's almost no atmosphere to hold it. Above, the sky is a soft, salmon pink during the day, and at night the stars seem to shine with a sharper clarity, unfiltered by any earthly haze. Now let's talk about the mysteries hiding there. One of the biggest questions is, could life have ever existed on Mars? You see, Mars wasn't always a dry, dusty place. Scientists believe that billions of years ago it was a lot wetter. Imagine rivers flowing across its surface, lakes filling craters, and possibly even a vast ocean covering its northern hemisphere. These watery landscapes could have been the perfect cradle for life to begin. But as time passed, Mars lost its magnetic field. Without it to shield the planet, solar winds stripped away most of its atmosphere, turning it into the frozen desert we see today. It's kind of poetic, isn't it? The idea that life might have flickered briefly in Mars's past, like a candle protected from the wind until its shield was snuffed out. The essence of existence, so fragile, so fleeting, and yet so powerful in its potential. But what if life still lingers on Mars, hidden from plain view? Think of the thrill scientists must feel as they search for evidence, peering beneath the surface, scanning ancient riverbeds, analyzing soil samples. Every rock and pebble could carry a story from a time long forgotten. The rovers, our robotic explorers, are like our eyes and hands, meticulously combing this alien world. Each photo they send back, each data point they relay, is a step closer to unlocking secrets written in stone and dust. Speaking of these robotic emissaries, remember curiosity? I always found it fascinating how we attach human traits to machines. We marvel at their perseverance, celebrate their successes, and even mourn their failures. Curiosity, with its plucky spirit, has been diligently exploring Gale Crater, drilling into rocks, analyzing samples, and teaching us so much about our distant neighbor. It's like sending a piece of ourselves out there to ask the questions our human bodies can't yet reach for. And now we have Perseverance, our latest adventurer on Mars, scouring Jezero Crater. This little rover is on a grand quest, searching for signs of ancient life, collecting samples to bring back to Earth one day. It's exploring what once was a river delta, a place where water and potentially life might have thrived. Just imagine, with each piece of rock it collects, we could be holding history, not just of a planet, but perhaps of life itself. But beyond the quest for life, Mars stirs something deeper in us. It challenges us to reflect on our own existence. Standing on the edge of the cosmos, we ponder. What's out there? Who are we? Where do we fit in? Mars invites us to dream of possibilities, to stretch our imaginations beyond the boundaries of Earth. It calls to the explorer within, urging us to take these small steps that could lead to giant leaps for mankind. As I sit here talking with you about Mars, I realize that this red planet is more than just a scientific curiosity. It's a mirror reflecting our deepest desires and questions, a canvas where we dare to paint the future. We wonder if humanity will one day walk its rusty plains, leaving footprints in the red dust, writing a new chapter in the story of exploration. Mars gives us a chance to connect with something larger, to escape the mundane and embrace the wonder of the unknown. It reminds us that our journey is just beginning, and there are countless mysteries waiting to be unveiled. So, next time you find yourself under a blanket of stars, take a moment to imagine Mars. Think about the secrets it holds, the questions it poses, and the inspiration it offers. Mars isn't just a distant orb in the night sky. It's a reminder that we are part of an ever-unfolding universe, filled with infinite possibilities and uncharted adventures. And perhaps that's the greatest mystery and gift of all.